Alright folks, today we are reviewing the 16 gauge finished angle nailer by Milwaukee. I bought this, either it was $350 or $450 about 3 or 4 years ago. And then they fixed it recently, and what the problem was the slider was jamming. This is now fixed. It does a 2.5 inch nail on it, and I'm going to show you how it works. Here's removing the battery. Here's this, the sliding mechanism, pulling nails out. It's got that recessed groove or whatever that's called for the ends of the nails. And then when you get past the nails, it makes a real satisfying click sound. Just like that. Now here's the end here for when there's jams. And the nice thing about it is it's battery powered. I'm going to hit that button. Now it's on. And then I'm going to take it. Works nice. And so that's 1.5 inches. You can see the profile of how deep these things are going in. And that's that. One more, just for fun. Milwaukee nailer, M18.